What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can claim your Magic Eden ME token airdrop. So in my previous videos I showed you how you can check if you're qualified for the airdrop and also when exactly that airdrop is happening. So finally the time has come when you can claim your airdrop. Now, if you didn't already connect your wallets to the Magic Eden website, I mean the Magic Eden eligibility checker, you can watch this video right here in the upper right corner. But if you already did everything that's necessary to claim your airdrop and you're eligible, this is how you claim your Magic Eden airdrop. So first off, you would need to have your Magic Eden wallet installed on your phone. Everything is done through this app right here. So once you have your wallet installed, go ahead and open it. And here, once you open up your wallet, you can either click this Claim Magic Eden token right here, the notification, or if that doesn't work, you can go to your browser right here and just type in the browser mefoundation.com. But in this case, we will just go to the notification right here. Also, make sure that you have enough Solana for the gas fees when you're claiming the token. Now there is a lot of traffic because the token was just released 15 minutes ago, so it might take a while for the website and everything to load. Also, if your website keeps crashing, just keep refreshing and trying again. So there we go, it crashed, so I will just try again. Currently the price of the ME token is about $11. And there we go, it finally loaded up. So it says you're eligible right here. Just be sure that you connected every wallet that interacted with the Magic Eden website. So now from here, just go ahead and click proceed right here. And again, it's just extremely slow because there is a lot of people trying to claim this airdrop at the moment. Also guys, be careful about the scams. You need to be on this domain right here, mefoundation.com. And there we go, it finally loaded up to the claim screen. Now here you can see how many tokens you can claim, and all you need to do is just click claim your tokens right here. Now just guys, be patient, everything is very slow because a lot of people are trying to claim their airdrop right now. Now here you can set your fee, so either standard, fast or turbo. So standard is just a standard Solana fee, fast means that you're willing to pay a bit more for the transaction to go through, and turbo just means that you're willing to pay even more. Also you can place custom right here. So let's just try with the standard fee and see how it goes. Now just click connect right here, so you would need to connect your Magic Eden wallet to the claim website. And there we go, connection has been added. Alright, so the token price fell to about $7.5, so we need to approve the transaction. Now you can see the sole gas fee, so if everything looks alright, just go ahead and click approve right here. And now let's see if it will go through. And there we go, it actually went through. So the process was a bit quicker than I expected with all the people that are currently trying to claim. And there we go, successfully claimed Magic Eden tokens. You can also stake your tokens for a longer period to enjoy bigger multipliers going forwards. So let's just go ahead and click continue and see if the tokens are deposited in our wallet. So there is a little animation here that guides you through the token use cases. So we will just click the only available thing, and that is go to staking. So here we are on staking website, but I don't want to stake my Magic Eden tokens yet, so let's just exit this, and there we go. Here you can see the amount that you gained from the airdrop. So currently on CoinMarketCap, the price of the token is at $6.2. So in the claiming meantime, I lost about $1,000, but that's just how it is. So that's guys how you can claim your Magic Eden tokens, and also if you want to find out how to stake them, I will make that video pretty soon and add it at the end of this video. So that's about it guys, thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.